इतना सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Very good afternoon to each one of you. Happy Makar Sankranti from our side. We welcome each one of you to yet another exciting and educative episode of Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India, bringing every a new business opportunity for each one of you so that you digitally interact with our brand of the day, get their understanding and choose the right brand for you. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir, along with our second panel member, Sonia ma'am. The flow of the webinar would be, we'll take the complete and correct understanding about the brand, then we'll take all your queries. The brand which we are representing for each one of you is Bike Studio. Yes, Bike Studio is the brand for the day. They're already operational pan India with their successful outlets. It's a fast growing chain of high end bicycle, and it's our privilege to welcome Mr. Rohit, who will talk about the brand. Thank you so much, Rohit sir, आज हमें join करने के लिए. Over to you. We would like to understand the journey of Bike Studio from you, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Archana. Morning, Sonia ma'am. And
good morning, Rohitji. Welcome.
You after a long time post-COVID.
Hanji.
And Gaurav sir, good morning. If you are around.
He is there. I think he should just be joining in.
Yeah, okay. Archana, well, let's change this to our topic over coffee. I'm having coffee with my discussion. Now, a brief introduction about me and my company. Well, my name is Rohit Kalra. Been in business almost 32 years now. And well, this is a family business we started. I took over in the year 89 and we were a small factory. It's been a nice journey. It's been starting from a scratch to building a, whatever Archana said, we have a huge success story now that we have 22 stores. And well, how this business came into this was not our parental business of bicycle. I started in 2006 because I was always wanting to do something different, and that was a time nobody was thinking of such high-end bikes in India. Then point was not to just import and distribute. Point was to tie up with some company from abroad who could guide us, who could give us a good product. So in the year 2006, we tied up with a company in Thailand. And why Thailand? Because Thailand has a different mindset like Taiwanese. The quality is much better. Of course, we always relate to Chinese products as cheap products, but uh, this is a different mindset what the Thai people carry. So this factory was making bikes for Thailand, for Europe, for America, very good quality and high-end bikes. So when I went approached them, they were like keen to start as a joint venture. So that's how we started LA Sovereign. Sovereign is my brand, our parent brand, and LA was their brand. So they said we will make a joint brand, which was in the year 2006 October. So ever since, this journey has been very interesting. Initially, we just imported the bikes, distributed across India, and we have a huge network of distributors, dealers. But the aim was to build a brand. The aim was to be known that we are different. So with the, I think in the year about 4 5 years ago, or maybe 3 years, I exactly don't remember. So I approached Gaurav sir. He's a master franchisee, and when I approached him, he was like, "Yes, this sounds very interesting. We can set up franchisee for you." So initially, we started doing the franchising business. We set up a brand called Bike Studio. Now, why Bike Studio is because any bicycle shop, it has to have the full coverage of many brands. I just don't want to show this is my brand shop. Anybody who's investing money needs to have the comfort of selling many. Suppose a customer walks in, he has to show him a big range. Till you show him a few products of different brands, he will not take a decision. So that's why we made an umbrella by the name of Bike Studio. And Bike Studio, we have a lot of brands which we are selling. But I'll show you the slide in a while. And after a year or two, I think Gaurav sir was quite keen and interested. So he also came on board as a director. So now we both are going ahead. In the last couple of years, 3 years, we've set up about 22 stores. The list will be shared to you wherever we have the stores all across India. And what has happened is very, well say, COVID has been, yeah, it has been, it's bad. It's been bad for many businesses. But what I feel is for bicycle trade, COVID has been I wouldn't say a boon, it has been a positive sign for us. People have started cycling a lot. Auto, even if you go to auto industry is doing well, and bicycle actually is doing very well because there's a huge demand now. Right from juniors to even people who are like 35, 40 or like my age, they want to go bicycling. And you will see the stocks are depleted. I have a factory to make the bicycle also. We're working day in and day out to keep up the production levels. And secondly, what has happened is Chinese shipments have gone down because again, the supply chain situation is not very good. So that's another incentive for the industry in India to pick up. So last few months, we've not been very aggressive on the franchising thing, but 2021 January is very promising. This year is very promising for the industry, especially retail. So I'm not pushing anybody on to get into this bandwagon, but it's a bright future ahead. We are. I'm redoing a new store in Ludhiana. The first store we opened was in Ludhiana, which is our company store, and I'm redoing that store in the next few months with a new concept, and I'm bringing in more brands on the wagon so that the customer gets a full feel of the range. Those brands we will announce very shortly. And now the new stores, in fact, those brands will be available all across the previous stores and the new stores also. So we are not fixing any targets, what we want to do, because we are sure we'll get a lot of inquiries. We want to handle it very carefully. We choose our franchises very carefully because they have to have passion. And most of our existing people are either from doctors or who are like cyclists or who are basically enthusiasts on bicycling. Those are the ones who've invested money with us. They need to feel, they need to sell the product, they need to understand the product. So this has been a short journey for us. It's just the start. And another thing I would like to add is now with the e-bike coming in, that's also another on the cards. We want to introduce e-bikes also onto our stores. So let's see. We are looking at a very, very bright future ahead. So Archana, would you please run the PPT? I could just give you an outline. Yeah, this is the name of the store, Bike Studio. Please go ahead, Archana. Right. About LS Sovereign, I've just told you. It's a joint venture with the Thai company, established in 2006, September. And LA is a brand from Bangkok, and Sovereign is our brand. And this company has been we've been in this trade for last 50 years. I have another two companies. We have an office set up in China also. We have an office set up in Dubai also. We have a global trading company that's also helping us source products like high-end bikes from abroad. So that is this is one part of my business. Archana, next slide, please. Archana, can you hear me? Yeah, the next slide, please. Yeah, the brands. We started with the LS Sovereign brand, which is actually enjoying a very good share in the market. People relate to quality. As when we talk about LS Sovereign, they know the product quality is very good. So Infinite was another range we added, which was only for not only, I would say, it is only for, it's for people who are passionate about bicycling, for professional riders, because we use a very high component range on these bikes. Then for the masses, we started another brand called X Bicycle. So, the aim was to complete the store. Infinite, LS Sovereign, X Bicycle. Then later on, we added Lamborghini, we added Ferrari. That's another flag to our store. Then over the next few years, we added Giant also. Then we have another brand called XTS. Archana, would you push on to the next series, please? Next PPT. Archana, can you hear me? Yeah. The next, so these are some of the bikes we have shown here. Well, they won't give you justice because these pictures are not very clear, but when you go and feel the product, you'll see it is a different quality altogether. Archana might be having one or two slides of the store. Archana, can you show me a store picture? Yeah, the next one, the next slide. Hello, Archana. Yeah, the next slide, please. Well, these are the brands we're doing. We're doing, to complete the stores, we have a complete range of spares and accessories. We have Shimano parts. We have Clarks. This is a London brand. Okay. Archana, can you go back, please? Archana, can you go back, please? Yeah. So we have a range from Clarks. This is a brand from UK. Then we have Sigma. They have the lights. They have Exostar, which has helmets, riding sets. V is a Thailand brand which sells tires, tubes. BNB is a rack company. Well, these are all pre-COVID range we had. You see, we have the brand LA, Infinite X, Lambo, Ferrari, Giant, XTS. New brands have come into the picture, which I will share later on, because my new store, I'll put on the pictures very soon, is a new concept store we're coming up. So that concept store, I like again mentioned you, will have a full range of accessories, spares, bicycles, and e-bikes. Next slide, Archana. Yeah, next slide, please. I want to see the store picture, Archana. These are the bike studio stores. Akola, Amravati, Anand, Aurangabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Faridabad, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Karnal, Kolkata, Ludhiana. I don't remember all this, but yes, we are present in major cities. Calcutta must be there. Then there is Bangalore, there is Udaipur, Mysore, Ludhiana, Pune. We have 22 stores in all. It's promising this year. I'm not going to say any numbers. I would choose and select the franchisers because most important is they have to have passion to sell this product. Yeah, please go ahead, Archana. I want to see the store picture. Can you go back?
So that I
There was a
probably
picture on in the
have
last two slides
the
before. There was a picture of the
detail
store.
do. Yes. Oh, just give me 1 minute, sir.
No, no problem. Just take it.
This
Yeah. Yes, store. So Archana, this is the store. Now we've changed this fascia also. This is one of the old pictures we have in here. It shows a big bike studio logo, and the inside feel is same all across. We keep the same look. We keep the same color scheme. The store stands out. When anybody goes in, you can have a nice feel of the product. Those opening hours and all this depends from city to city, and the range. Of course, we try to keep a range from mass to the premium. Starts about 4,000 and goes up to, yeah, now we have bikes up to 7-8 lakhs also. Well, this is one of the old slides. We're going to redo this old slide presentation in a couple of months. Very promising. And yeah, please go ahead. Industry as such, bicycle industry is growing a lot. This year has been, like I told you, has been very good. Anybody investing or wants to be a part, it's going to be a very promising future. There's a huge demand for bicycles. You can go online, you can check the statistics, how market is behaving, how people have gone. Those special lockdowns which has happened at 7 o'clock in the night has really helped us. People, I could see outside my house, you have people going in a horde of like 20 people together or 30 people together on bicycles. Now they have bicycle chai shops across the city where people park in and have tea. So it's altogether a new feel now to the bicycle trade. So I would like to add, I liked your this video, Itna Safar, right, Archana? And Sonia ji, I like that word, Itna. Itna is like you have to do that extra little effort to go to a success. It's the difference is only that extra effort you put in. So we've been putting that extra effort in this unit. एक चीज और मैं I didn't mention in here is that we have a nice service center in every store. The service center gets us a good revenue, and that service center is open to any brand. If you buy any bicycle, you can come and get it serviced, and we keep the prices quite reasonable, and it's a good churner to the store, churner in a way of revenue. So the store is basically one kids section, one mass section, one premium section. Then we have a service spare area, spares, accessories, and then we have a service center. So this all can be done in about 800,000 square feet of area. Can we go ahead, Archana? Do we have something more to show, Archana, or are we done on this? Yeah, those statistics, put them online, people can see whatever they want, they can have questions, we can show. Franchise proposition or franchise, let me praise Mr. Gaurav something that he's been a big help to us in promoting our brand all across India. Without his help, we wouldn't have been reaching here, definitely. And well, I would say he's a master of this trade. And having him on board this ship is a pride for us, actually. So he takes personal interest because it's not about money. It's about the feeling of being good, what people experience when they come to a store. Definitely, takes time to build up. In the last few 3-4 years has been tough because overall the market was down, but the last 6 months, 1 year has been really, really promising. And this is the time we should get into bicycle. Okay. Archana, I think anything else we need to discuss? I think I've told everything about bicycle business, the franchise model, the details of the franchising, the investment, and what are the blueprints, what are the um, investment opportunities, all those things. I think you can share with any investor who wants to come on board. No point to mention here. This, of course, this
Maybe
figure of
quickly, 5 minutes
27
if we can take a little bit
about the investment.
investment अगर हम बता सकें. हाँ जी.
Investment में क्या है, Archana? See, the investment can go up and down. It depends on a lot of things. See, Launchpad is 2.5 lakhs. Then stock is 8.3 lakhs. Right? So few things can go up and down. If it's a big store, we'll have more stock. Right? Or we can have a smaller Launchpad. Launchpad is a very big advantage because people come to know right away. Interiors and fits again might change if the area changes. So I suggest a store between 800 to 1,000 square feet is good enough. We don't need more. And a store and keeping stock could be separate. We don't need to put them together. Anybody, I think this is not a very big figure. Getting a good, decent earning. Coming to the profits also, I should be sharing here is like we offer about 40 to 50%. Am I right? 40 to 50% of the PDP margins, which is pretty decent in any industry. You see, I'll share an example. When I first bought my bike, which was in 2006, I got my first shipments. So the dealers were so happy. A bike which I used to sell them for 9,000 or 10,000, they were getting a selling price of 20,000, much more than a motorcycle profit. Even today, this is happening, which is like, which trade is offering you 40, 50%? None. So the running costs are not very high. If you keep a rental about 40, 50,000 and keep a few people, you don't need more than 2 or 3 people in the store. You need a mechanic, you need a sales guy, that's it. So bijli ka kitna, there's hardly any cost to it, right? So it's a very low end running unit. And the point is, a decent sale of about 8 to 10 lakhs a month will get you good returns. I don't know how many we've calculated those returns that 1 saal mein, 2 saal mein you can recover your money. Those Archana can share. But I can just say the figures will change now, will get better because sales are much aggressive right now. And this trend is going to continue. It's not going to stop. Especially 2021, I feel is going to be a very aggressive year for us. With all, another thing is shipments from China are delayed. They're not coming. There's a huge gap in the market. So this is the right time to invest into a bicycle industry. And with Bike Studio, the benefit is we'll give you the feel, we'll give you set up the store for you, we'll train you about the bicycle industry, about the product, how to sell, what are the service points. We will train you everything. And then the best part is we'll give you a lot of brands under the umbrella. It's not that there's out of stock of some product, we don't have the other ones. We'll always keep the store fully loaded so that we don't have an opportunity loss. Archana, I think anything else you want to go ahead? So point is maybe Sonia would like to ask me something or Archana has something to say. I have told you my part that it's been a really good going of post-COVID for us.
Sure. So thank you so much, Rohit sir. I think Sonia ma'am will join us back. She has lost her connections. She will join us back, but by that time, I'll try to show some of the pictures. I'll
Yeah,
just
do that.
download those pictures.
Do that.
Sure. Just allow me 1 minute. And if you want, I can again put the slide which talks about 800 square
I'll
feet
keep on
area.
telling you some ideas because I am not prepared for this webinar, okay? But I'm telling you
Sure,
my experiences. As
sure.
as an investor, see, anybody who's coming on board who wants to spend 20, 30 lakhs needs to see his money coming back, okay? Earlier, क्या होता था? The bicycle shops used to be a typical bicycle low-end shop, right? So suppose I have a son, I would not like him to open a shop which is low-end. Now the concept has changed. Everybody whose son is getting bigger, even their daughters, they would like to open a store. It's very for the image, it's very good. So you're showing them investment details for 800 square feet, right? So in this, what you've seen is the breakup of investment, right? Interiors 8 lakhs, stock, like I told you, can vary. We can go up and down depending on the store, and of course the location also. Some locations might not need expensive bikes. Then comes franchise fees, of course, that is the cost. Then is the equipments. Equipments would basically mean service equipments. That would be the service tool, the stands, and other things what we need to service a bike. Launchpad again is like media launch, where we have we invite the media, we have the first day party, we have posters and brandings and all across the city. This is quite reasonable. So rest things can be discussed as and when somebody needs more detail.
Thank you so much, Ruchi, and I'd like to thank you for coming today and for all the insights that you gave. And I feel very when it comes to your vision, understanding, and just work to happen. And also, I've seen, many cycle stores, but I've not seen having stores that have designed, and they're one
Answer live. Archana, I can't hear you. Are you there?
So I was saying I have seen many stores, but I've never seen the Bike Studio has designed their stores. They're one of the most beautiful stores that I've seen. Roji, what I was doing is, I would like to maybe share my screen and show some of the pictures. We didn't have too many pictures on the presentation. So friends, this is what the stores actually look like. If you see, you can even go on Google.
Yeah, these are the
It's
stores. Yeah.
all stores. Running. So, and when you see these website, they also do a grand launch. So that's the reason there's a separate budget which has been put at the time of launch, where they would invite, and there's a big PR the company does at the time of launch. So this is a view of the existing stores. They also bring in like-minded people from the city, and all that happens at the time of launch. So even if you see this picture, you see all the women riders in Surat outside the store, which is launched in Surat some time back. So one of the biggest, I would say, the beautiful stores we have. Roji, before we start on the questions, and you also talked about your own. I would stop sharing my screen. So before we go ahead on the questions, friends, I would also request if you have any questions which you wish to ask, kindly do that. And Roji, just to start off, मैं थोड़ा business model से शुरू करना चाहती थी, and we talked about an overall investment of 27 lakhs, and this investment includes the stock which goes to the franchisee, interiors ka bhi hai, franchise fees, all put together this 25 lakhs in an area of 800 square feet of space is what is required. Now talk about the stock. percentage, how many pieces would go in the store one, and how is the selection of the cycles made? And also based on your own experience, because you've been running these stores in different, I would say, locations and cities, and I'm sure you also have a big dealer network. So इसमें क्या demand आती है, and how selection of these cycles is done, and how many pieces ideally go in a store?
When I was looking at the question answer session, somebody has put some questions, so I'll just take up this also. Somebody has asked me any eligibility on education basis, Mr. Damodran. See, the whole thing I always said, bicycle is all about passion. You see, even this franchise business, what I'm doing, I am not doing only for money. It's to see, it's like passion to see my bike studio store somewhere, right? You don't need any education. You need to know the bike. I'm sure everybody rides a bike some point of the time in their life, right? We will educate you. What are the good products? What are the good parts used in a bike? We will educate your salespeople. We will educate your technical team. So only thing you need to know is you need to be educated enough to understand how to ride a bike. That's it. वो भी सिखा देंगे in case you don't know. But the point is, you don't need any qualification for this. And there's another, Ankush is asking, what if the bike is unsold for a month? See, bike studio का concept ये है. I am trying to give you many brands. Okay? Stores में bike रहेंगे. They will be there. But I am giving you a 40 to 50% margin to play with. Over the period, हम क्या करते हैं? What we do is we whatever is not selling, we put it as a bike of the month. And we give 10-20% discount. निकाल दो. I believe stocks should move. Never keep them. So keep on. Get those out, get new bikes in. Get those out, get new. This is how it should move. And suppose you're selling at 20%, किसी को जाएगा, वो आगे he'll, by word of mouth, he'll promote. So that guy will give us better profit, no? So go ahead. Don't stop. And we promote each store on Facebook, on Insta, right? We have a separate team where Franchise India also helps us. Now people will ask why the franchise fee is there. The franchise fee is a setup cost to promote Bike Studio all across India, to do the media promotion, to do Facebook launch. See, cost is involved everywhere. Now, in a big city, every city is big now. Let's talk about let's say Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a huge city. It's a 3-tier city. It's like Mohali, Chandigarh, Panchkula. We should promote all across. People don't know a store which is in the next lane. So we have to promote this on net. And net is everything is happening online today. See, colleges, schools are happening online today. So life has changed. So this is where the money goes, whatever franchise fee we take. And you were talking about the bicycle stock. See, hota kya hai? Let's say a small city like say Ambala, right? If you have a store in Ambala, I will not like to keep high-end bikes over there in big stock. I might keep 1 or 2 pieces just to show the product. And there is nothing like Bikegani. Concept has changed. Everybody wants to buy a good product. Of course, there is a tag to it. Nobody earlier used to be a bicycle hai yaar chalo 1500 2000 mein aa jayega. That story is over. People know they have to spend 5, 7, 10,000 to buy a good bike, right? So we place our bikes in a small city as mass will be more, 1 or 2 will be high end. If we go to Chandigarh, then we have to keep a better stock, better range. You understand? So this is basically about feeling the city. And I don't know, इसमें जैसे franchise fee का question है या इसका unsold है, कुछ unsold नहीं रहेगा. Everything sells. This is your inbuilt sales, this thing. You have to sell yourself. Big जाएगा, we'll teach you how to sell also. We do a lot of shows. अभी एक city में we'll do a lot of shows. In a way, we have these groups who go for a morning ride. Those groups help you promote. We have camps. So everything the company will support you. But yes, ultimately, end of the day, you will have to be involved into business. That's why I say you need to have passion for running a bicycle business.
Right.
Sonia, I've answered you.
Hanji, bilkul, Rohit ji. And I will also say, I think somebody had put, because you will waive off the franchise fees. And friends, franchise fees is the fee that you pay to any company for the knowledge, training, process. and you have to respect that it doesn't come free. No knowledge comes free. For any training which the company they have
These
worked
35
for
साल की
30 years.
35 साल की knowledge दे रहे हैं यार. हाँ, true. Yeah.
So any company which is charging franchise fees for the knowledge, the experience they carry, and a franchisee has to respect that. Unless there's a mutual respect for that technical know-how, knowledge, systems, processes being passed on, you cannot be a successful franchisee. And franchisee relationship is a long-term relationship. It comes with the
I
passion.
believe one thing, Sonia, sorry to interrupt. I believe in one thing, that without the help of professionals, you can't rise. Everybody is good in his own field. So we should take their help. We should take their advantage. I will take a lot of time to understand your business. अगर मैं खुद ही बोलूं मैं franchise चला लूंगा, I'll do franchisee or I'll sell my store. You understand? या साइकिल बेचूं या franchise चलाऊं. So my job is to sell a store. A store वाले का काम is to sell bicycle. Your job is to make more franchises. So everybody needs money, man. End of the day.
Friends, marriage between two, the company can bring in their strength, उनका product knowledge है, the selection of the product, training of the people, how to sell. But जो आपका outlet है, that is completely your responsibility. You're on the driving seat. You need to run and operate the business. Ruchi, I'll take some questions. I see some questions coming up. Just say, if we talk about the outlet, we did talk about just a retail store of 800 square feet. Are we also looking at any warehouse space for keeping any extra stock, or all the stock comes? So what kind of facilities would a franchisee need apart from the retail shop?
See, मैं normally क्या suggest करता हूँ, any shop which you take 800 square feet, don't take the rent too high. It shouldn't be more than 50-60 grand, 1,000, right? और वो इतना महंगा है. You see, any store is 100 rupees per square feet minimum. इतना आता है ना. चलो अगर negotiate कर लेगा तो 50-60 हजार में उसको store मिल जाएगा. But why do you want to make it as a stock area? Stock area could be another thing. Outside 5,000 में मिल जाता है. Keep it about a few hundred meters away, 500 meters, 1 kilometer. वहाँ stock रख दिया 20-25 साइकिल हुआ. Of course, company will support you, but point is suppose the store is very far away. Material पहुँचने में 2-3 दिन 4 दिन लगते हैं. So you don't put it in the store. Store should be only display area and service area. Stock अपने घर पे रख लो. कितना है stock? कितना? Cycles come out very nicely packed. Each cycle is in a box. When you see the packing, you will be amazed. We spend so much time and money on that. So it is not littering the place. Seriously, you can put it anywhere outside.
If we talk about a store, and I will also come on the cities where we want to enter, but if we talk about a store and based on your experience, because आपके stores tier 1 में भी run करते हैं, and I've seen some of the prominent locations in Jaipur, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chandigarh where stores are operating, and equally, they're doing well in tier 2 locations, because I saw somebody even understanding कौन सी locations viable है, will the price of these cycles be good enough for a tier 2 location also. So would you want to give maybe a little perspective, how big the demand that you see coming today, and I know आपने बोला after the COVID, and especially when the lockdown had started, and especially your industry was very positively impacted, and India, actually there were news that India witnessed more than 30% jump in the sales of cycle alone in the month of June, compared to the pre-pandemic period. So there's a huge jump, and also cycling clubs across the country in all the cities also recorded a big membership or a surge, I would say. So while the sales increased, a lot of new members, they became members of cycling club. But if we have to maybe look at maybe a comparison of tier 1, 2, what locations you think are most ripe for a business model like this, and maybe an average revenue or a throughput which an outlet can make, and maybe आप छोटे city बड़े city दोनों का example दे सकते हैं. Well, I know even for you tier 2 does very well, and some of the tier 2 locations might do even well than maybe a location that you might have in the top 10 cities. So would you want to give a comparative on that?
I'll tell you, when I started in 2006, okay, there was hardly anybody importing or giving a high-end product. I got the biggest flak. Why are you doing this? बिकेगा कहाँ पे? क्या कर रहे हो? ठीक है? My first inauguration party, I spent about 50 odd lakhs just getting the dealers, showing them the product. They were saying it इतना महंगा. How will we sell them? I am saying tier 1 is more competition. Tier 2, Tier 3 are the best cities where we can have stores because they're still virgin. There's still a chance. Where is motorcycle selling today? Where is Hero? He's selling in villages. You understand? Tier 1 mein kya hai? You already have a lot of stores. Rents would be high. There will be competition. But yes, if the product is good and if the service is good, it will sell. Tier 2, Tier 3. I don't know how you define Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4. But मेरे लिए जैसे उदयपुर, Jaipur, I would take them as Tier 2. Delhi, Bangalore, these are Tier 1 big cities, right? सब अच्छे चल रहे हैं. Even a small city in Kola is doing much better. We need to show the product to the customer. It's not that customer के पास पैसा नहीं. Everybody has money today. We are not going to villages and where there's no food. Of course, definitely not there. But every area has a potential there. There is a kid going to the school. There are parents who want their kids to have good products. Every parent, I'm sure you have kids, you want your kid to have the best thing. So, मेरे लिए Tier 2, Tier 3 cities are the target. They do very well. They'll run very well. I don't want to have numbers कि मेरा Bangalore में इतने store है, मेरे Delhi में इतने store है. सब stores चलने चाहिए. End of the day, they should make money. And for that, this thing is keep the rentals low, keep a brand, the store to be loaded with good brands, so that anybody coming in gets a good feel. Range पूरा रखो साइकिल का, बच्चे को भी मिले, बूढ़े को भी मिले, for everybody. That's what I'm working on. I'm not selling only my brand. I'm tying up with many other people who can put this as a store. I'm giving you an experience free of cost. मैं क्या पैसा ले रहा हूँ? कुछ भी नहीं. I'm giving you a full trade. I had people coming to me, believe me, जिसका बेटा बड़ा हुआ, क्या काम कराएं जिसको समझ नहीं आ रही, right? Many people have this dilemma. तो उसको क्या करते हैं? आ जाओ जी, I will teach your kid how to work. Who teaches that? 5 साल तुम लगाते हो, graduation, post graduation, and when they come out, they have nothing to do. They get a job of 10,000, 20,000, and we spend so much money on post graduation. And what we are doing is asking you what a small amount to train your kid. Trust me, it's a very, very good business.
Or, we've talked about isme, if we have to talk about the revenue streams, obviously the core is cycles, and it comes from the sale of cycles. Aapne servicing and spare parts also you mentioned. If we have to talk about एक outlet को कितना revenue करना चाहिए, what kind of number of sales should an outlet do in terms of number of cycles?
Like I said, I would personally prefer store in a rental of 50 to 60,000 क्योंकि इससे कम कहीं मिलता ही नहीं आजकल. Please understand. And it should be a decent size. 800 square feet is a decent store because you're keeping the bike inside. You're not just standing there. You have to show the product. Then do log is enough, which is what, let's say 20, 30, 40,000 rupees. So overall the store cost would be about 1 lakh, 1.25 lakh mein tum store mein cost aayegi. Fine. Aap 5 lakh ki bhi sale karte ho. What are we looking at? 40%. No, rather, sorry, 50%. मतलब आप फिगर्स बना लो खुद अपने आप. एंड 5 लाख में कितने साइकिल हुए? Hardly. There's about what, 40-50 bikes. What are we looking at? 1 or 2 bikes a day, which is not big. And spares ka profit zyada hai. Servicing gets you, believe me, some stores are running on servicing. The cost is done with servicing. 50,000 1 लाख की तो सर्विस कर देते हैं. क्योंकि साइकिल आएगा, साइकिल में वो सर्विस भी करेगा, कुछ पुर्जा भी डाल देगा. So his bill is about $1,000. So even if he does 100 bikes in a month, which is normal, look at the figure. So what I'm doing is, see, end of the day, your involvement as a franchisee, not only money, paisa nahi lagana, you have to be involved into your business. Any business. I'm involved in my business. I have about 300-400 people working for me. But point is, I am working, nobody works for you. This is very true. So काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा. ये सोच के चलो.
Absolutely.
And that is the game. You're getting involved. Gaurav sir, good morning.
Good afternoon. Sorry for joining.
Good afternoon now, yes. How you been?
A great opportunity, and Rohit himself is a very, very I think, a pioneer in this space, and he's really built this category. And I remember my association with him when it started. His conviction on this category was always there. If you go in depth in the industry, everybody knows him. Everybody knows his contribution, what he's done, and the whole revolution of bringing these premium bikes to India was done by him. And he's right in saying this. The aspiration today lies everywhere. Biking is now becoming a lifestyle. It's a part of our upbringing, and rather I would say the opportunity is much bigger. I landed in Surat once, and I saw a biking club going in, and people were driving the kind of cycles which is the best in the class, and that's culture is growing everywhere. There is everywhere. You have biking clubs, you have cycling clubs, and all these is now becoming lifestyle. But again, if you compare it with any developed country, per capita, what we are at this stage, we are the lowest. While it looks like that we have a lot of things going on, but we are one of the lowest in the world. So the only way this category would go is upwards, and the category would see a big surge coming in. And we've seen a great success done by Bike Studio, and they're now getting aggressive to really bring that. They're also one of the companies which have a full portfolio of different brands, because sometimes when you go, I don't want to name it, but when you go to one or two companies which are leadership companies in this space, they only offer their own private label. They only offer one kind of bikes. And today people need different offering. They need different kind of brands. They need people who are enthusiasts, who are into biking himself, like Roji and his son is actually themselves are enthusiasts. They go out and bike themselves. So and there are a lot of people like that. So they know they need a different kind of product. Some use it for different reasons, and some use it for just for a leisure or exercise or things of that nature. So depending on different products, they would have different choices, and people start upgrading. Now they would start with a basic, and then they would ask for a bigger product. And servicing is also a very important. And as I say, service revenue is and I think so the triple S model: sales, service, and spares. All three comes in this business model. And especially in a cities like, say, you open up in Gwalior or open up in Jabalpur or Jalgaon or Amravati or places of that nature, you will see a big success there, because there is nobody else than you actually bringing this kind of offering. So you become a niche and a specialty operator. And cost structure wise, what he explained is also very important, that the cost should be about 1 lakh rupees completely fixed cost, which is a rental of 50,000, and balance should be only your some kind of electricity and some other expenses, a little bit of marketing. Every franchisee should be a good operator, rather should be somebody who creates this biking culture. If you start doing this weekend biking activations and a lot of these things, they all help you to really build that community. And then once you build the community, you're at the front of the community, you also build your own audience which come and bike from you. Over to you, Sonia, for your further questions.
I'll pick some question from the audience. Since we are saying
Sorry, Sonia, I'll interrupt you. One thing, and I would like to add to Gaurav sir one thing in here. If Gaurav sir remembers, when we started this project, we had a lot of effort to put in, because making people understand the concept, making people understand what are the revenues, what are the returns. But trust me, today we don't need to do this. People really know the bicycle industry. I have people coming to me, sir, mere paas paisa hai, I want to start bicycle business. Because they've seen, every city has seen a surge. Every city, there is a shortage of bikes. And this is the right time to invest. Or rather, I won't say invest, get into this business. Over to you.
I'll pick some cities. आपने बोला you're looking at pan India, and absolutely pan India is the play. But I have some specific locations where our viewers seem to be interested in. So I have Ms. Astha from Lucknow. Will Lucknow be a city which should be on your potential rollout locations?
यार villages छोड़ के कहीं भी कर लो, trust me. Lucknow is a potential city. Which area is not potential? Trust me.
Yeah, Lucknow is a very, very big potential.
It's a big potential. Gaurav sir would know the cities' names. I'm not aware, but I can tell you, this tier 2, tier 3 should be the targets where we could really do a good business. Tier 1, मैंने explain किया, cost is high, competition is high, people are already running there. But yes, again, service, product will help us. But tier 2, tier 3 would be like smooth cake for us.
We have our advisor, Mr. Jagdish from Bhopal, and he says you already have a store there in the city. Would you be looking at a second store in the same city? And if you can also comment, रोहित जी, अगर हमारा कोई सी भी city में store है, कोई radius हम franchisee को देते हैं, क्या distance रखते हैं? How does it
Yeah,
work out?
when we made a roadmap or an outline of running the bike studio, I think we've defined there. There's some radius defined. I need to, we have a radius of 5 kilometers where we won't have a bike studio. And if the city is too small, we really don't go. Now, Bhopal is a big city. Bhopal anyway is a huge city. So I'm sure we can always have another store, not an issue. And Bhopal store is one of the old ones, is doing really well. In fact, every studio for us is doing well because we gave them a huge brand, this thing. They're not confined to us. We are giving them knowledge, we are giving them training to run a bike store. Baki apne aap ban jayega. Seriously, they need to understand biking is in now. Over to you.
Right, we shall take up one of the questions from Mr. Jayesh Gujar. He says, he's seen your outlet in Pune. He likes to know how the store is performing. Second, what is the selection criteria for you to look for a property? You mentioned about the rentals, and some locations might be expensive. So I have somebody from Bombay who says 800 square feet location in Bombay would be anything upwards of 1.5, 2 lakhs kind of an investment. So what would be a suggestion if we talk about maybe Delhi or any city that you want to say, what kind of properties so rent being one of them, but the locations kaun se hubs mein hone chahiye? He wants to know that. The other question he needs is, what kind of support that you provide when it comes to servicing. You also need maybe a technical staff who understands the servicing. So how is that supported by the company, and what kind of training is imparted to these service providers, mechanics?
Let's come to the location and the size first. You see, I would like the investor to go there and have a look at the place. Let's say he has a store of 500 square feet, which is pretty decent. 500 is a big size for a big tier 1 city. Why I'm saying 800, we could go because tier 2, tier 3, we can always get cheaper rentals. We could go for 800, gives a better image to the store. 500 is not bad. We could go for 500 square feet, which will be like 10 into 50 or maybe 15 into 30. Pretty decent size. You don't need to keep stocks in there. And uske hisab se we change the store design. But overall look of the store remains the same. Again, the point, we have to keep the rentals, the cost low. I don't want him to have a initial so much high cost that he gets burdened initially. Ki bhaiya returns nahi aayega. I'm again saying location ka, don't go into a shady lane. Of course, nobody will. I mean, when you visit a place, you get positivity about the place. Go ahead. This is what you have to feel. Training, my people will stay. Normally, what happens is when we open the store, my people go there, stay, choose a mechanic for you. We help you locate a mechanic because we know almost all the cities. We have dealers or we have friends almost all across. So we'll help you choose a mechanic. 10 din wahan rehte hain, we'll train. Then later on, we call the mechanic here to Ludhiana because our main store is in Ludhiana. We train them here. We give them training on servicing the bike, understanding the components. If we have a problem, we'll teach the sales people also about the product. We have to do that. And usme bhi kya hai ki hota kya hai, suppose we get a trained guy, he'll be more expensive. You already trained me. So we want to keep the cost low. We train new people. I always believe writing new things on fresh minds instead of taking people with fixed ideas. अब मेरे जितने स्टोर हैं mostly run by passionate people, athletes, gymnasts, doctors. क्यों उनको नया concept है. They want to understand. They're passionate about new things. पुराने बाइसिकल वाले वो पक चुके हैं, अंदर दिमाग में आ चुका है ऐसी साइकिल स्टोर ऐसे ही होना चाहिए जी. साइकिल के ऊपर साइकिल चढ़ा होना चाहिए. They should have 100 bikes in a store. नहीं है. Give me a choice. When you go to buy something, you don't want huge choice. You want selected 3, 4, 5 अच्छी piece, and you choose. The idea of putting 100 bikes in one place and then you don't know. Then he sells you what he likes to sell because you can't feel each product. So that is the idea about it. We should know what we are buying and we should feel what we are buying.
इसमें lead time क्या है
Over to
for
you.
somebody to start a store? How long does it take after this location has been selected? इसमें lead time क्या रहता है एक store को पूरा launch तक लाने के लिए?
I think we're very aggressive on this. Trust me, we've opened store in 20 days, 25 days. The team is pretty geared up. Aaj bolo, they're ready. My designers, I have a one set designer. He does the job in 10 days, 15 days. We're very good with it because we know the passion shouldn't die. आज मैं कहता हूँ मैंने साइकिल स्टोर लगाना है यार. अरे फटाफट करो ना. Why wait? I don't want that passion to kill. और 3 महीने 4 महीने लगा दूंगा फायदा क्या? Point ही नहीं है. 1 month max, we should be out and the store should be on. Kitna, we've done 22 stores. It takes 1 month max.
Right. I remember the time when we had started off, it used to take about 2 months, and you brought that period down to about 30
Over
days.
to you.
And that's a good turnaround time. One can save on the rentals, and this is the only time that you get even from the property owners at the time that you can do the entire fit out. Great. Tuichi, I'll take another question, which is on the online store. Somebody's asking if they only do the online store and not do a physical or do a smaller outlet. So, do you want to comment on that? And also, because your product is available with dealers also across the country, the various dealers with your product. What strategy you have on pricing? Is there also a differentiated offering जो आपके store पे रहेगा और जो dealers के पास रहेगा?
See, first of all, dealer वाली बात पे आते हैं. Like I defined earlier, that when we open a store, we make sure 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, whatever radius we've defined is depending on the city is maintained. If we have I want my product to be seen. उस store में अगर उस city में अगर store नहीं है, तो I'll keep a dealer. The moment we have a store, the dealer goes away. We don't want to kill our store for no reason. And I am not a very avid. I told you I'm not only for revenue. I'm not a very interested guy in online selling. Online में क्या होता है? मैं खुद नहीं लेता हूँ. I buy something, I don't like it, I'm stuck. And bicycle is not a thing you want to buy online. You want to feel it. Only people go online just to get a better price. Trust me, I don't want to do this. Give them a good product. मेरा कोई product हम online बेचते नहीं. I don't like it. Of course, I can get huge volumes, but I told you, end of the day, it's not only volumes for me. We will protect the store, definitely.
Sure. एक दो क्वेश्चंस और मैं लूंगी because I'm seeing that coming while आपने कवर भी किया था प्रेजेंटेशन में which was on the pricing. So अगर हम एक average pricing आपने I think the presentation that you showed was 4,000. It goes up to about 2.5 lakhs. तो ये आपका broad range. So the least is starting from 4 lakhs and the highest being 2.5 lakhs. But अगर एक हम average बात करें so कितने price की एक हमारी cycle outlet पे निकलती है?
इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा that's a good question. Because this is what we will make them understand. You see, that's where the franchise fee comes in. That's where we are trying to teach the people what is a bicycle. Kids start from 4,000. So the range is kids, then we have beginner MTBs, then we have girls, then we have professional riders, then we have city riders. You understand? All those categories have prices. Kids का हम 4,000 से शुरू करते हैं. I think around that price, 3,500-4,000, right? Then kids में भी रेंज महंगा भी है, 6,000 का भी है. उसको ओवरलैप साथ ही करते हुए मास में आ जाते हैं. We do the MTBs for school going kids. Now MTBs करते करते then we go into higher MTBs. Suppose you bought an MTB which is about 8,000 or 9,000. What will you do next is buy a bigger MTB, better MTB next time, because end of the day you want to show off. Right, you want to go on a better bike, so you'll spend more on a 15 grand. So we have to complete that range. Then when you become a good rider, you might like to spend on a 25,000 bike or a 50,000 bike. Or people who are really passionate about the people who are buying for 4 lakhs also. Depends on the money you have to spend. You see, what for a person, what he can show is what he owns. Why do you buy a BMW? Maruti gives you the same thing, what BMW? Chalana hi hai na? But depends on the money you have, you can spend. So we need to see we are able to sell everything to a person walking into the store. He gets something out of the store. ये नहीं है कि उसको अब जैसे क्या उसको लगे कि मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है, I don't want to buy. He should have a product which is, and then we put those products separately. We don't mix them up in the store. A guy who's spending 25-30 grand should get a feel of the product. in his area, जितना भी छोटा या बड़ा बनाएंगे, he will feel कि यार इस area में मेरे लिए cycle है. You understand? That's how the store runs.
Right. Eastmay Service Center, we have Mr. Anuj Agarwal. He would like to know, we've talked about 800 square feet space. So service center, agar hum karte hain, can it accommodate in the same space, or it requires a separate space? Is what you
The
want.
center needs how much? Let me tell you, we need about 4 or 5 feet by about 10 feet area. It's about 50 square feet. उसमें wash, एक cycle एक time करोगे ना, 5 तो करोगे नहीं. So one cycle, because we have one mechanic can do about 10-15 bikes easily a day, or maybe more. Us area में we can service, we can wash, we can oil, we can change the components and send it out. So that store will accommodate. We'll do that for you. It's not a big deal. 500 में challenge होता है, 500 area में, but उसमें हम छोटा कर लेते हैं, फिर उसको हम confine नहीं करते. We open that area so that it merges with the store. Designs change, but the overall look of the store remains the same.
Helpful, Rohit. And since we have a lot of questions pouring in, I will also request friends, if you want to reach out to Rohit, we'll also request his team who can in fact come. We can explain the entire business model, maybe on a one-on-one discussion with you. Agar aap next week available hai, to Rohit, you want to suggest any date for next week where we can bring maybe prospective investors to you and your team for a call?
Ma'am, I run by whatever you define. I will do it. You tell me how you want to do. We'll plan next week. I don't know. You tell me. You tell me the date. We could.
Yeah, so we can have. Sure, we can do that.
Let's not keep it in the beginning because normally Mondays are busy. Mondays, Tuesdays. So would be sometime in the middle of the week would be better, because I told you we are having a lot of pressures these days on productions. Lot of pressures. Every industry. Sorry, Gaurav sir, I'll just tell you. Every industry is trying to double the capacity at this stage. And this is the time anybody who wants to get onto the board on the bicycle should do it. Because hardly investment, man. What is the investment we're looking at? Nothing. Please continue.
22 तारीख को रखें, 22nd of this month, Friday.
Hanji, as of now, I'm okay. I'm in town. I'm not traveling. I'm okay.
22nd is the day where we're doing Discovery Day with Bike Studio. Please apply yourself, and we will be able to take the discussions ahead with the team. So please reach out to us and apply for the franchise, and we will qualify and then bring it to Rohit and team.
Gaurav ji, one more thing. If we could do this session post lunch would be better, because morning's a little busy. So something like 2 o'clock should be fine.
We'll have about 7 to 8 qualified only coming to you, and we will bring in and we'll block your slot. And this week our teams would qualify first. All of these people, locations, their interest, their background, everything we'll check and then present to you.
But one of the, again, I would like to say, one of the most promising trade today is bicycle. I'm trying to leak this thing. I'm maybe somebody wants to manufacture bicycle. You can go ahead. Seriously, it's a good time.
Yeah, it will be a good time for next many years for bicycling. The world is changing.
Everybody's stuck in the house. Everybody wants to go out, shop, buy, do something different. So you see, this year is going to be very good.
Saudi Arabia, being a country which produced oil for everybody, which created auto, launched a city now called the Line. You can read it. It's called the Line, which would not have any cars.
Wow. Already there are cities in Spain where there are no cars.
In Europe, many cities are there which are either using waterways or they're using
Saudi
cycling.
Being oil producer is doing this. You want to say that?
Yeah. Oil producer has launched the first city which would have no automobile and actually no roads, only biking roads and that. And this is called Line. This would go across Saudi Arabia as a city. It's a first initiative by a city like that. So we all know where we're heading. It's a good sign. It's a measure which has been started with oil produced. The largest oil producing country in the world is producing that. We know where the communities are going to go. Cycling is the future. We're coming a full circle, and good for your business. And you're already a leader in this space. So we'd like to end.
Like I said, I have 3 more companies and we have a global business. We've lined up orders for the next 3-4 months, and I'm not taking
Yeah.
any more orders. Yeah.
You tell that, but you take again and keep expanding and keep going. I think which you're good. We like to end this debate on having one question from the, so to say, king of cycles in India, Rohitji. So, what is you driving? You know, what cycle you drive and what you ride every day, and your son also does it. So, what are you doing? What is the special cycle you have in your garage?
You see, I use my own company bike, which is LS Sovereign, and I've been doing this for a long time. I like to keep fit. You see, that is what drives me to ride a bike also. Today, well, if you don't judge, I'm 52 now, right? So that's what I want to look the same till I'm about, I don't know how many years. So let's see.
Very good, very good. Good example, and this is good. So you keep yourself fit and keep growing. We all have the best wishes for the company you've created, and what you've done for the industry is remarkable. So over to you, Sonia, for your comments.
Thank you so much, Rohitji. I think this was a very, very inspirational presentation, and I'd like to thank you for coming and taking time out by yourself and presenting it to our investors. As said, we'll take 20 seconds, second half, where we qualify the prospects who've come in today, and we line up these meetings with you or the teams that you request us to get these calls aligned with. Thank you so much again for coming in.
It's been a pleasure to be online. Thank you, giving the privilege to be there. Gaurav sir, thank you so much. Sonia ma'am, Archana ji, thank you.
Thank you
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Over to you, Archana.
Thank you so much, Rohit sir, for sharing your entire story and journey with us. We really want to thank for your efforts and time. Dear participants who have joined us today along with our panel member, we would like to thank you. Please do connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 97176 Please do share your suggestions, feedback. The aim is to provide you the best of the services, and the entire team of Franchise India is happy to help you with the business solutions. Please do connect with us at different social handles, information on your screen. You want to revisit, you want to rewatch all the previously brands webinars, submit, please join us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. We have a video library where all the previously done webinars are available. You can also connect and write to management team of Franchise India at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And tomorrow, under Business Opportunity of the Chai webinar series, we invite you to join the journey of Shadowfax. That's the brand we are bringing for you under our this webinar. So please do registration today so that you understand their end-to-end business model and the kind of the value proposition they are offering for each one of you. At the same business hotline number, you can get a registration link. Once you do registration, you get a confirmation mail. Through confirmation mail and link, you can join us tomorrow sharp 12 p.m. for another edition. So thank you once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rohitji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohitji.
Thanks, Rohit sir. Bye. Take care.